Classification of plants. Exercises. Q1. Match the proper terms from columns A and C with the description in column B. Answer. Q2. Complete the sentences by filling in the blanks and explain those statements. Angiosperms. Answer. Q2. Complete the sentences by filling in the blanks and explain those statements. Angiosperms, gymnosperms, spore, bryophyta, thallophyta, zygote. A. Plants have soft and fiber-like body. B. Is called the amphibian of the plant kingdom. C. In pteridophytes, asexual reproduction occurs by formation and sexual reproduction occurs by formation. D. Male and female flowers of dot are borne on different sporophylls of the same plant. Answer. A thallophyta. Explanation. Thallophyta are found mostly in water, some in fresh, saline water, soft and fiber-like body due to absence of mechanical and conducting elements and presence of cellulose cell wall. B. Bryophyta. Explanation. Bryophytes lack vascular tissue system, true roots, leaves, stems. Found on most places, still they require water for transfer of sperms for fertilization, hence called amphibians of plant kingdom. C. Spore. Zygote. Explanation. Pteridophytes have well-developed vascular tissues and leaves, stems, roots, but these plants produce neither flowers nor seeds, also called seedless vascular cryptograms. Sporophyll leaves have sporangia which produce spores. Formation and fusion of male and female gamete forms zygote. This further produces well-differentiated multicellular sporophyte. D. Gymnosperms. Explanation. Spores are produced within sporangia present on sporophyll, which are leaves which form compact structures called cones. These are male and female. Few species of gymnosperms like pinus have both male and female on same tree but located far apart. This can be called dioecious, and few species of cycas where male and female are produced on different plant can be termed as monoecious. Q3A. Answer the following questions in your own words. Write the characteristics of subkingdom phanerogams. Answer. A. The characteristics of subkingdom phanerogam. 1. Phanerogams means visible gametes. Flowering or seed-bearing plants, most developed plants with roots, stem, leaves. 2. These are divided into two main groups. A. Gymnosperms. 1. Gymnos means naked and sperm means seed. 2. Seeds are naked, therefore they do not bear true fruit. 3. Evergreen, perennial, woody, found mainly on hills. 4. Some plants, male and female cones, flowers, on same plant are called dioecious, e.g. pinus, whereas in some on different plants called monoecious, e.g. cycas. B. Angiosperms. 1. Angios means cover and sperm means seed. 2. Seeds are covered as true ovary is found. Pollen grains and ovules are developed in specialized structures called flowers. 3. These are divided into two classes, dicotyledons and monocotyledons. 4. Dicotyledons are characterized by having two cotyledons in their seeds while the monocotyledons have only one. Q3B. Answer the following questions in your own words. Distinguish between monocots and dicots. Answer. Difference between monocots and dicots. Monocots differ from dicots in various categories: leaves, stem, roots, flowers. Q3. C. Answer the following questions in your own words. Write a paragraph in your own words about the ornamental plants called ferns. Answer. Ornamental flowers. Ferns. Ornamental flowers. Ferns belong to division pteridophytes. Being a pteridophyta, it have differentiated stem, root, leaves and well-developed vascular system. Leaves of fern are large, called microsporophyll. Ferns have wide variety of habitats: mountains, dry deserts, water or open fields. Ferns are used in food, horticulture, etc. Fern includes pteris, adiantum, equistum, selaginella. Q3D. Answer the following questions in your own words. Sketch, label and describe the Spirogyra. Answer. Spirogyra. A green-colored algae commonly found in stagnant freshwater bodies is known as Spirogyra. Mainly, Spirogyra is slimy and has filament to touch, in which the filaments are present in the cylindrical cells placed one above the also there is a single large vacuole in each cell. Q3E. Answer the following questions in your own words. Write the characteristics of the plants belonging to division Bryophyta. Answer. Characteristics of bryophytes. 1. This group of plants is also called amphibians of plant kingdom. 2. These plants are thyloid, multicellular, autotrophic. 3. Bryophytes grow in moist soil but requires water for transfer of male gametes to female. 4. They have leaf-like, stem-like, root-like modification. Q4. Sketch and label the figures of the following plants and explain them into brief. Marchantia, Funaria, fern, Spirogyra. Answer. Marchantia. 1. Found mostly on silty clay or moist soil. 2. Marchantia show differentiation in 2 layers: upper assimilatory region and lower storage. 3. Thallus features has tiny cup-like structures called gemma cups used for asexual reproduction. 4. Antheridia and Archegonia are borne on special stalks: Antheridiophores and Archegoniophores. These are separate thalli, therefore plant is dioecious. 5. Asexual reproduction occurs by gemma-discoid clumps of cells. Funaria. 1. Plant is small, erect, small and branched. 2. Differentiated into rhizoids, axis, leaves, simple, small, spirally arranged. 3. Asexual method takes place to give rise to primary protonema, secondary protonema. 4. It consists of multicellular colorless branched rhizoids. Fern. 1. Fern belong to pteridophytes, therefore they have vascular tissues, well-developed roots, stem, leaves. 2. Fern stem is often referred to as rhizomes. 3. Green, photosynthetic part of plant is technically megaphyly. 4. Fern species can be found many habitats as remote mountains, dry desert. Some species are Lycopodium, Selaginella, Equisetum. 5. Fern are used as ornamentals, food, etc. Spirogyra. 1. A green-colored algae commonly found in stagnant freshwater bodies is known as Spirogyra. Mainly, Spirogyra is slimy and has filament to touch, in which the filaments are present in the cylindrical cells placed one above the also there is a single large vacuole in each cell. Q5. Collect a monocot and dicot plant available in your area. Observe the plants carefully and describe them in scientific language. Answer. One can differentiate in monocot and dicot based on below observations. Q6. Which criteria are used for the classification of plants? Explain with reasons. Answer. Criteria used for classification of plants are presence or absence of organs in different plant division: thallophytic, bryophyte, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, is the first criterion for classification of plants. Presence or absence of several conducting tissues for conduction of water and food. Bryophytes do not possess, whereas pteridophyta, gymnosperms, angiosperms possess. Development of seed, as pteridophytes do not have seed, whereas gymnosperms and angiosperms have seeds. Seeds are developed without seed coat in gymnosperms, naked, and/or with seed coat in angiosperms, covered. The number of seed coats in monocot is 1 cotyledon and dicot have 2.